Hello all, here is a simple 7805 linear regulator where you have just two capacitors which are implemented, which are basically used at the input and the output, and this is how simple the circuit is built to get the 5 volts when input voltage is provided. But one of the problem with this particular design or any kind of linear regulator in this kind of topology is when there is some short circuit that happens at the input, the regulator gets damaged. There is no input voltage protection that is present in this particular circuit. So, how do we enable input voltage protection here? The simplest implementation is have a diode, which can be a one simple PN junction diode from the output to the input connected in this direction. So now what happens is when there is a short circuit that is there at the input, the voltage will still be present at the output, and the input side is grounded because it's a short circuit. So this diode will turn on, and the current will take this path instead of the path through the series element of this regulator. So why should we add this diode? Let the current pass through the series element, right? See, the important point to remember here is this particular regulator is designed to provide a maximum output current. So the switching element that is there, in the sense that the series element can surface current up to that requirement. That's how this regulator is designed, right? Now, when there is a short circuit and when the input voltage is high, you can see that there is a sudden current, very high current, in fact, passing through this element because this impedance is very low, right? So it's almost a kind of short circuit scenario with or a scenario where there is very minimal impedance between the output and the input, and the current passes through, damaging the element, the series pass element that is there in the linear regulator. So this diode helps us to bypass the current through this diode instead of passing through the pass element in the case of input short circuit scenario. Simple implementation, but if you are using a linear regulator and want to implement input short circuit protection in your linear regulator, this is the circuit to use. Please post if you have any questions. Thank you.